me stories as a child of a servant pushed aside, of shoulders bearing every wrong, silent in his trial, said he'd be despised and torn, counted like the worst of all. I traced the words with tiny hands, never thought I'd see that man. Surely this was him, a man of sorrows, to die for sin. Every lash, every thorn, all the bruises on his skin, there's no doubt this was him. The beauty that would show a crown, the painful thorns he wore a crown. He was tortured yet he didn't say nothing. He was beaten, mocked and shamed. He spent his garments for their gain. Just like what Isaiah said in the books of old, the promised one has come to save us